Hello, all you wonderful people out there. How's everybody doing? Good, I hope. Well, this is a Turkish 1996 50 bin lira, and it equals 50,000 lira. You've got the crescent moon there. It's quite pretty, isn't it? Some guy there with a nice hairdo. So first of all, well, you've got some nice text on the, oh, not the text. Nice design as well, on the milled edge. Right, first of all, let's punch a hole in it. If you're new to the channel, and you like what you see, there's a little red button on the bottom right hand side of the video. You can hit that and you're automatically subscribed. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. If you'd like to hit the like button for me, and how about hitting that share button? You got any friends you think might be interested in watching this? You could share it with Facebook or YouTube channel. I could do with the love, everybody. All you need is love, doopy doopy doo. All you need is love, love. Love is all you need. I could have been a rock star, you know, but I decided to make glass and coin rings. It's not the money, is it? It's enjoying yourself. And I can't remember the last time I had this much fun. I think it was 1962. Right, let's break out Christy Burr, mighty burring tool. There you go. Just want to clean up that edge, make sure it's nice and clean. Okie dokie. That looks pretty good. Right, let's give it some love with some Bernie the Fire starter. It's quite a thick coin, this one, so it's going to need quite a bit of love, I think. Right, there you go. How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. I'm glad you liked your little present, Sarah. Glad you got it okay. So, this is a 17-degree folding die. Get it as level as possible. Go over to Big Red. Turn it over. That should now fit in this one, which it does nicely. Yeah, you can check out my my web shop. It's this in the description below, but it's yourfingermyring.com. I don't just do rings now. I do loads of other things: earrings, toe rings, bracelets. Cufflinks. Pendants. If you've got any ideas or anything you'd like me to make, give me a shout. I'll give it a go for you. Right, that's nice and clean. No scratches or cracks for me. But we need to show it a bit more love because it's a bit thick. Right, there we go again. It's nearly shorts weather here today, +9. I'm usually the first to get the shorts on the Helsinki market. I'm usually the last to stop wearing them. I wear them right through till sort of September, middle of September, then it starts getting a bit too cold. Right, let's go for Spike. There he is. Here's a bit of kitchen roll to protect the inside of the coin. This is a ring stretcher. Give it a quarter of a turn each time, stretches the ring equally all the way around. Oh yeah, this is quite a hard coin. I might have to heat this up again, otherwise there's a chance you might lose it. Right. Right, back to Spike. Ouch, that's still hot. Hotter than a hot thing. There you go. It'd be good to put it on the right way around, wouldn't it? Stupid boy. That's better. How's that looking? Got a little bit of a bow in it still, so we'll try and get that out. Yeah, +9 today, eh? Beautiful. Went up the shop, the old sunny's on today. Oh la la. Still looking pretty good. And the bow is now out of it. You just want to straighten up them walls. So yeah, I have to show a bit more love again, because this is a tough one. Okay, this should be the last time I have to do this, because we're now going to go to the bottom end of the spike and hit the reduction dies. Blacker than my soul, that is, isn't it? Right, what we got? I'll tell you what, before I do that, there's quite a big lip in here. See that lip? It's quite pronounced, so we want to get that out. With Christy Bow again. Okay, that's better. So now we just want to straighten up them walls. And I don't know if there's anything left on this one. I think it's protruding slightly. That's a good word, isn't it? Protruding. It wasn't protruding that much though. Touch more. And a touch more. I was going to say a touch back. Well, that looks okay. Maybe a touch back. If you're going to do it right. There you go. That's better. Right, let's break out the one and only. Gorgeous as ever. There she is, Kate Bush, looking good. Just want to get this, gets the fire scale off. Give it a bit more volume, shall we? Ouch. Right, how's she looking? Not too shabby, eh? I think we'll give this one a bit of a polish, see what happens. So I take out Kate, and we'll put in Felton John. Oh, Nikita, you will never know just how much I love you so. Right. I didn't think this polish is going to be much good, but it's not too bad. It goes a bit more liquidy than the other polish I used. Yeah, a bit more runny. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with this solver. Right now the inside. Right, what do we got? Let's clean off the old mingers first. Looking rather sad. Yeah, all the rings in my shop, I can adjust the size. So if there was a ring there that you like the look of, and it was the wrong size, I can adjust it for you, up or down. I can make it larger, I can make it smaller. I can do magic. Doopy doop boopy doop boopy doop boo. No, I haven't been drinking today. You'll have some fun in your life, haven't you? Fun? I remember fun. Yeah, this is kind of quite pretty. But if you don't like this, if you don't like the polished look, I can go over it with Kate Bush again. Or if you'd like a patina on it, I can give it a nice patina. What we got? That's quite pretty, isn't it? And that's why you use the, are you going to focus? That's why I use the kitchen roll. So you've still got the detail on the inside. So what size did we get in the end? Let's go to the Yankee Doodle Magic Wand. You always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but same thing. It's the thickest part of the coin. And this is a size 10 or 10 and a half, 10 and 3/4. Yeah, 10 3/4. But I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. And it fits this finger perfectly. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow, God willing. Tell me bye-bye.